Hello boys and girls, welcome to this week's themes discussion, which is pollution and recycling. We will learn all about pollution. We will talk about what pollution is, the different kinds of pollution, and what we can do to help. What is pollution? Pollution means things that are harmful or that is bad for us and also bad for the planet. Pollution starts to dirty the air, it also dirties the water, and it also dirties the land around us. So pollution starts with littering. What is littering? Littering is when you don't throw your papers and stuff into a bin and you just leave it lying around on the ground. Now this, boys and girls, is very bad. And this don't also just look bad, but the wind will blow these papers around, and eventually this will end up in the oceans. And this causes many animals to think that the dirt is pieces of food. So this will cause the animals to get sick, and then eventually they will die, which is very, very sad. Now teacher is going to talk to you about the different kinds of pollution. Firstly, teacher is going to talk about water pollution. This means litter, dirt, things that go into the ocean and rivers. Also lakes and dams. And these litter are very harmful to the animals that live in those places, especially all the creatures that live around water. For example, factories also have pipes that lead to the ocean, rivers and lakes. And these factories pour out dirt into the water, causing many animals to get sick and also die. Even oil spills in the ocean are very harmful to all the sea creatures. Another way for water to get polluted is when plastics and papers and rubber and nets and other harmful items blow in by the wind to the ocean or just simply thrown in by people. Now teacher's going to talk about another pollution, and this one is air pollution. Pollution is when smoke and other gases like carbon dioxide is released into the air, especially by factories, cars, trucks, boats, and so on. Now teacher is wondering if you can remember what is carbon dioxide. Well, this is the air that we breathe out. And there are other gases that also comes from cars and factories. And this is called carbon emission. Teacher is going to talk about land pollution. This is when dirt is left on the ground all around the world. This is also when dirt is thrown around on beaches. It's not only papers and plastic bags and empty bottles left around. Factories also dump in places they should not be dumping dirt in. This is a very big crime. Dirt should be dropped off at a place called a dump site. At this place, the dirt is separated and it gets rid of in a responsible and safe manner. Now, boys and girls, what can we do to help? We need to remember that we must not leave our dirt any place, especially lying around on the ground. We should always take our dirt and throw it in the bins or trash cans. If we all just remember to do this one thing, we can save the planet and help keep the planet clean, especially healthy. There are different kinds of bins to throw in your different kinds of dirt. We'll learn all about this in our next theme discussion on recycling. Now that we all know so much about pollution, I hope you are all ears and ready to hear more about recycling, what it is, and how you can start recycling at home. That is all for now, boys and girls. Until next time, bye. Remember, wash your hands, keep on a mask, stay inside. Bye, boys and girls.